Oh my God, please stop raining. I wanna go home. I'm so tired. What the fuck, dog? Yep, I'm telling you, this is like a 2-hour fucking ride. I mean, walk. It needs to at least slow down. God. No, play. You fucking asshole, dog. Why do you have to make it rain? We gotta do something. We can't be standing here for like a good 3 hours. Like, no lie, I want to, but...
Y'all wanna watch it?
Walk. Shit. Okay, I'm down. Damn, I got a purse and everything. My hair about to be fucked up in the morning.
Is it slowing down at least?
No. Shit. Yeah. I'm about to be soaked. I can feel it like I've been going swimming or some shit. That's what the fuck I'm gonna look like. Damn, dumb.
It's slowing down.
It's not slowing up. This is like speed. Damn. Okay. Oh my God. Why does it have to be 5 in the morning?
It's 5 o'clock in the morning.